Hello, today I'm gonna tell you about the iMac display. We're gonna talk about some possible dead pixels, the white and gray and black colors on the display. And first of all, I'm gonna tell you that Mac might be prone to be accused of sending out iMacs with a lot of problems and issues like yellowish colors instead of white and dead and stuck pixels. This is a problem that is not something that Apple is the only one who has to contend with, but all companies who send out LCD displays and LED displays, because it's errors that occur and you can't get around it. But most of the displays actually does look great. And on my iMac, I haven't found any dead pixels yet, or stuck pixels. That doesn't mean that it's not there. I just haven't found them yet. If there are any dead pixels, they are hiding very well, and then I really don't care at all. So it's just a problem if the dead pixels are a place where you notice them. Okay, right here in the corner, I am showing the pixels. I can run over this icon and you can see that it's zooming in. So we can see that here it's black, where it's supposed to be black and white, and over here we have gray color. To me, the white colors look white as it should be. I don't see any yellow kind of a problems on my white. It looks white like paper would look white, and snow would look snow white. If I change to a snowy picture, you can see on the pictures that some areas are darker and lighter because of shadows, and it's mixed with a lot of different colors. Like here it's very white up here, and then over here it's not so white because there's a lot of shadows in the pictures. The viewing angle on LCD displays are worse than if you had a plasma display. That is granted. But it all depends on where you look. If you're looking at it from right on, there's no problem with the viewing angle. If you look from it here, you might still see what you're working on. And if you sit like this when playing computer games, you're doing it wrong. But you can still see some of the picture anyway. So really for me, the viewing angle on the iMac is no problem for me. I think it's great. So thank you for watching, and please don't be afraid to subscribe or write any comments. Thank you.